In this episode of the Video Igniter Show, I'm going to teach you how you can use videos to improve your customer support. As a business owner, you eventually realize that your leads and clients tend to ask the same set of questions again and again. Instead of spending the time to keep answering the same questions repeatedly, you can save time and improve your customer support by creating videos that answer the most commonly asked questions. For Video Igniter, the questions everybody asks us are, what does it cost to make a video, and what is the production process like? So we created a series of short videos that answer these questions. And now, our leads and customers are able to educate themselves faster than we ever would be able to respond. And this frees up bandwidth for our support team as well. And as an added bonus, if you use a video hosting service that shows you data and analytics about your videos, you can check out the viewing stats for the support videos to see how people are watching them and look to see if there are any major drop-off points in the video. If so, it could mean something is unclear in the video and we should go back and fix it to improve the customer experience and comprehension. As a pro tip, I like putting these videos on easy-to-remember links so that if somebody ever asks me a question, I know exactly where to tell them to go to get their question answered quickly. That's all for this episode. Thank you for watching, and if you want to support the show, share this with someone who will find this useful, and you can subscribe or like the content on these channels.